Guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to change default photo viewer app on your Windows 11. So for this guys, you can follow this easy and simple method. First you need to open your Windows settings. So use the shortcut key to open the settings. Hold Windows key button and press I. Okay, after opening settings, in the left panel you can get the option apps. Just click and open it, and in the right panel open default apps like this. Okay, and here guys, scroll down and find out Photos app. So as you can see guys, Photos app is here. Just click and open it, and here you can get the different types of photo format, image format. As you can see, most of the image file format is JPG or JPEG. So just you need to find out JPG. As you can see, just click on it. From here you can get the photo viewer apps on your Windows 11 like Paint, Paint 3D, Snipping tool, as you can see. So if you want to change, just select your app and click on OK. Same thing, you need to select JPG like this and select your photo viewer app, click on OK. That's it. So from here guys, you can easily able to change the photo viewer app on your Windows 11. So that's it for today guys, the short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.